Hello and welcome everybody. Tesla stock on 26 November. Let's see that step by step. If you are new to this video, don't forget to watch this video, like, subscribe. Today we have this Tesla stock on 1 day update. So currently we should see that which is other step by step, because this is going to be very important, very serious about where the part is going to be the invest thing that going to be Tesla stock on. So according to the price that we should take care about, is going to be the part that it increases in momentum here. If that going to be 0 and 1 Fibonacci strategy. So if we think about that, it's going to be a right retracement here, and what a circle and another circle. So the two circles should between them 5 trend lines or 5 circles. So that means if that going to be applied on wave, this will be this increase in momentum as what I think about in my opinion. Hope you benefit from this last stock video.